Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Starting your journey in Yokohama, you'll want to build up your initial funds. A great way to begin is by simply defeating enemies you encounter. Stronger foes yield more cash. Keep an eye out for shiny spots under vending machines, as these often hide valuable plates, like platinum plates, which can sell for a hefty 200,000 yen. Remember to regularly visit pawn shops to sell any unneeded gear or collected plates to keep your pockets full. As you progress to Chapter 5, a fantastic opportunity opens up: the business management minigame. This is your ticket to earning millions. You'll invest in various properties, strategically hire and assign employees, and navigate challenging shareholder meetings. Focus on climbing the ranks, as reaching rank 1 in business management can net you a consistent 3 million yen after each successful shareholder meeting, making it incredibly lucrative. For serious cash in the later stages, the Sotenbori Battle Arena is a must. Each victory brings significant yen and valuable items you can sell. Don't forget to strategically use the Megumi Poundmate on floor 30. She can help you secure over 4 million yen in a single battle. Additionally, delve into the Yokohama Underground Dungeon. It's packed with high-level enemies and hidden loot, offering another excellent source of substantial funds. Beyond the major moneymakers, several smart habits can boost your wealth. Take on part-time hero quests, particularly the SOS tasks, which often reward you with tens of thousands of yen. While not direct cash, passing vocational school exams enhances your personality stats, which can open doors to better opportunities. Finally, always remember to deposit any surplus cash at an ATM. It prevents you from losing your hard-earned yen if you fall in battle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.